Can you have two Acorn accounts? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can you have two Acorn accounts? The short answer is yes, you can have two Acorn accounts. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The long answer. First, you'll need to use two different email addresses and passwords to create your accounts. This is because Acorn uses email addresses to verify your identity. Second, you'll need to use two different payment methods. This is because Acorn uses payment methods to verify your identity and to process your payments. Third, you'll need to use two different devices to access your accounts. This is because Acorn uses device IDs to verify your identity. Once you have created your two Acorn accounts, you can use them to stream different content at the same time. You can also use them to create different watch lists and save different shows and movies to your favorites. Why would you want two Acorn accounts? There are a few reasons why you might want to have two Acorn accounts. You want to share your account with someone else. If you have a friend or family member who wants to watch Acorn, you can create a second account for them. You want to watch Acorn on multiple devices. If you have a laptop, tablet, and smartphone, you can create a second account to watch Acorn on all of your devices. You want to keep your viewing history separate. If you don't want your viewing history to be shared with someone else, you can create a second account. You want to take advantage of special offers. Acorn often runs special offers, such as free trials or discounts. If you have two accounts, you can take advantage of these offers multiple times. Conclusion. So, there you have it. You can have two Acorn accounts. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Additional tips. If you're having trouble creating a second Acorn account, you can contact Acorn customer support. You can find Acorn's customer support information on their website. If you're not sure which payment method to use, you can use a credit card or debit card. You can use any device that has an internet connection to access Acorn. I hope this helps. End script. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.